everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great. This is Anshika and I'm a clay artist, and I also own a business called KLAY DIY over Instagram. Apart from this, I also make jewelry, paintings and super clay items, which is also known as foam clay or air dry clay, and post them on my another Instagram page and YouTube channel, which is called The Art Board. So talking about clay DIY, here I make everything out of clay. So this is my first long form video on YouTube, and today I'm making a Tic Tac Toe Board, and I have taken a reference from Pinterest for the same. And I thought that maybe I can share the process of making Tic Tac Toe Board with you guys while having some chit chat. Here I'm using Jovi Air Dry Clay, and it's a modeling clay, and you can easily find this on Amazon. I've also pasted the link of this clay in my description box. If you guys want, you can buy from there. I love sculpting different items, and I make fridge magnets, baskets, pen holders, trinket dishes and many more items. So till now we have made the Tic Tac Toe board, and now for X's and zeros we are going to make daisy flowers and strawberries. So before applying paint to the Tic Tac Toe board, I'm going to apply some gesso to give a smooth and fine texture. And after that, I'm going to paint the board, the daisy flowers and strawberries. And here came my brother, who is checking the Tic Tac Toe board that I made. Painting these daisy flowers and strawberries was a lot of fun. So here is the final step, and this is the most delicate step in this whole process. I'm going to put some resin on the Tic Tac Toe board to give a gloss finish, and for that I'm going to mix resin and hardener in the ratio 1:3, and you have to make sure that your resin and hardener are in the proper quantity, otherwise it will not get hardened and your product may get damaged. So let's do this and see the final results.